This one we're using concentration in a stoichiometry problem. So we want to start it like we do other stoichiometry problems. Remember the first thing, whenever you're going from one thing to another thing in an equation, is get to moles. So I'm going to have to use this information right here to get to moles. I think you had an equation, it was like this, or something like that. I solve it out using dimensional analysis, but if you want to use, one of your equations, that's fine. So we have 3 moles per liter, and we multiply by 0.2 liters. And then you can keep going in a stoichiometry problem, but I know that you kind of like to do it in multiple steps, so we can just pause here and get that answer. So what is that? 0.6 moles, and we know it's HCl. So now we can treat this like any stoichiometry problem. We start with the moles. Then we do our mole ratio. Mole on bottom, mole on top. We want to get rid of HCl, and we want to go to CO2. That's what they're asking for. What numbers do I fill in? Let's look at the equation. So here we look at the coefficients. So we want to find the HCl and the CO2. So 6 moles of HCl for every 3 moles CO2. Solve that out. Okay, you're going to have to do it, but I think it's going to be 0.3 moles CO2.